Hello everyone, this is a video for the SIG-IR 2021 paper, Is Query Performance Prediction with Multiple Query Variations Harder than Topic Performance Prediction? My name is Oleg Zendel, I'm a PhD candidate at the RMIT University, and the work described here was performed with my supervisors Shane Culpepper and Folke Scholler from the RMIT University in Melbourne, Australia. In information retrieval, the task of query performance prediction, or shortly QPP, is estimating the effectiveness of a search that was performed in response to a query without relevance judgments. It is common to divide the methods into two main categories based on the prediction time with respect to retrieval, where the pre-retrieval methods analyze the query expression using linguistic or statistical features. The post-retrieval approaches additionally analyze the result list of the retrieval. Reliable QPP methods can be useful in multiple scenarios to improve the overall user experience. One example is to identify a search failure. The system can then give a feedback to the user in order to set the expectations, for example, or propose an alternative approach. Or in a different scenario, it can be used by the system to take a different course of actions, such as asking a clarifying question instead of presenting the result to the user. It can also be used to improve the search result. The rationale behind selective query expansion is that queries that perform well will likely benefit from a pseudo-feedback-based expansion, while queries that perform poorly will suffer due to a query drift. So a QPP method that can then be used to select which query should be expanded and which not. Or it can be used to test the result after the expansion. So the QPP method will select between the original query or the expanded query, in which both queries will be representing the same information need, unlike in the previous scenario. And it can also be used in Fusion, for example, to select the top K best performing queries from a query set that represent the same information need, to apply Fusion on and achieve a better final result. Now, generally speaking, these applications can be divided into two separate tasks: those that are applied on queries from different topics, and those that operate with queries from the same topic. It can be defined as inter-topic QPP, which is estimating the effectiveness of queries from distinct topics, and intra-topic QPP, also known as query selection, which aims at estimating the relative effectiveness of queries that represent the same topic. And previously, the same QPP methods were used for both tasks, with mixed conclusions about the effectiveness of the methods. So the question we try to answer here is how should the QPP methods be compared over these two separate tasks, and which task is harder for the existing methods. Some relevant background. Currently, the existing standard evaluation in query performance prediction is based on correlation measures, which does not enable a direct comparison of these two tasks. Also, the general conclusion from various previous studies was that the intra-topic task is significantly harder for the existing QPP methods. In this paper, we propose a modification to the existing evaluation methodology, which enables a fair and direct comparison of the QPP methods in both tasks. Using it, we found that AP differences between the queries is an important confounding factor in the evaluation, and that some methods can achieve comparable results in both tasks when the AP difference is accounted for. In this plot, we have in green the accuracy for intra-topic predictions and in blue for the inter-topic predictions over different ranges of AP differences between the queries. We can see that some of these post-retrieval methods are not significantly different for queries with up to 0.4 AP difference between them. And another interesting finding is that these predictors are able to achieve a really high accuracy in some cases. So, of course, the full details of those comparisons are in the paper, and we will be at the poster sessions during the conference. So come and have a chat. Thank you for watching.